Unraveling the Mystery. What is a loan shark? Hello and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's often heard in financial discussions, yet may be confusing for many learners. Loan shark. Let's dive in and discover what this term means, where it comes from, and how to use it correctly in conversation. A loan shark is a person or an entity that lends money at extremely high interest rates and often uses threats or violence to collect debts. The term is negative and conveys illegal or unethical behavior in lending. Loan sharks prey on people in desperate financial situations, offering quick loans without the usual credit checks, but at exorbitant costs. The phrase, loan shark, first appeared in the late 19th century. It likens these lenders to sharks, predators known for their ruthlessness. The imagery evokes the danger and aggression associated with these illicit lenders, who are often ready to exploit borrowers' vulnerabilities. 1. After losing his job, he desperately turned to a loan shark to pay his bills. 2. Loan sharks often operate outside the law, making their practices risky and dangerous. 3. She realized too late that the lender was a loan shark, charging outrageous interest rates. In these examples, the term is used to depict a lender involved in unfair or illegal lending practices. Engaging with a loan shark can have serious legal and social implications. Borrowers may find themselves trapped in a cycle of debt due to the unregulated and high interest rates. Additionally, the tactics used for debt collection by loan sharks are often intimidating and illegal. Understanding the term, loan shark, is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about being aware of an important social and financial issue. I hope this session has been informative and helpful. Remember, language opens up not just a world of words, but also a world of understanding. Stay curious and keep learning.